Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure Proton VPN Secure Core, full guide step by step clearly. To download and configure Proton VPN Secure Core, start by visiting the official. On the home page, locate the Get Proton VPN button and click it. Choose the plan that best suits your needs, whether it's free or paid. After selecting your plan, create an account by entering your email address and setting a strong password. Confirm your email by checking your inbox for a verification message from Proton VPN. Once verified, log into your Proton VPN account using your credentials. Look for the download section in your account dashboard and select it. Choose the version of Proton VPN compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, or iOS. Download the installation file by clicking the appropriate link. After the download completes, locate the file and begin the installation process by double-clicking it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Proton VPN on your device. Once the installation is complete, launch the Proton VPN application. Log in again with your email and password if prompted. Navigate to the Settings menu within the application. Locate the Secure Core option and enable it to activate this feature. Choose a secure core server from the list provided, based on your preferred location. Once selected, you will be connected through the Secure Core infrastructure. To ensure optimal security, regularly check for updates in the Settings menu. Now, you are ready to use Proton VPN Secure Core for enhanced security and privacy online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.